Hello children. Here on the interactive flat panel you are observing what? A heading that is called parthenogenesis and also parthenocarpy. Two headings are there. Parthenogenesis is there, parthenocarpy is there. And this is watermelon, seedless fruit, parthenocarpy, but not parthenogenesis. Now we are discussing what is parthenogenesis and also what is parthenocarpy. So you know that sexual reproduction there is involvement of gametes and there is fusion of haploid gametes. And these haploid gametes after fusion they form as a zygote. And these fertilized zygote develop into what? Young ones. But some case unfertilized zygote also develop into what? An young one. This is called parthenogenesis. In Greek, this is a Greek word. Partheno means virgin, genesis means production. Parthenogenesis means here the process of development of young one from unfertilized gametes. Here gametes are not fertilized. The process of development of young one from unfertilized gametes is called parthenogenesis. And this we observed in fungi and Spirogyra. So fungi and Spirogyra they belong to the plants. So in these plants we observed what? Parthenogenesis. Then what about animals? So here you see what about animals? So these are plants and what about animals? So animals like bees, wasp, ants. In this what organisms also parthenogenesis takes place. Here you see the fertilized ovum develop into a female and unfertilized what? Ovum develop into a male. And sperms are developed by means of mitotic cell division and ovum is developed by means of what? Meiotic cell division. So this is brief description regarding what? Parthenogenesis. Once again I am repeating. You know well that in sexual reproduction there is involvement of gametes and haploid gamete and finally zygote is formed. But sometimes from unfertilized gametes also what? Young one is developed. So here you see the process of development of young one from unfertilized gametes is called parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is a Greek term. In Greek, partheno means what? Virgin. Genesis means production. And this parthenogenesis process takes place in plants like you see fungi and Spirogyra. And what about animals? So this parthenogenesis also takes place in animals like ants, bees and wasps. So here the fertilized ovum develop into what? Female. Unfertilized ovum develop into male. And sperms are developed by means of what? Mitotic cell division and ovum is developed by means of meiotic cell division. That is brief description about what? Parthenogenesis. Thank you.